Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Term Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Term Finance Login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. On the top right corner, you can see Login/Register button. Click on it. Now you need your username and your password to log in, so type in your username. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register today and create a new account. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Term Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.